Ready. Tapik ni Alden to Kuya Jerry. Kuya Jerry, easy 2 points. Kuya Jerry, yan. Coach Arby, ngayon lang nagpakita. To Daryl, pumukol lang press. Daryl, ginawi agad. 3 points. Michael P. Bilang sa kay Alden. Alden for 2. Easy lang kay Alden. Basket is good. Coach Arby, tinawin ang bola. To Rivera. Rivera. Miss ko. Michael P. Palmado lang. Michael P. To Casela. Casela for 3. No good. Nakuha ni Rivera. Rivera nagmamadali. Rivera. Hits up. First row. Basket is good. Second row. Jumpers ready. Basket is good. Michael P. Michael P. dribbling the ball. Binigay kay Edison. Nawala. Nakuha ni Daryl. Daryl pumeke. Daryl dire-diretso. To Alan. Alan. Basket is good. Minadali. Pinasa is good eh. Michael P. To Alden. Alden. Bumribol. Alden for 2. Malakas. Wala. Nagagawan. Kanino? Nabubula. First foul, number 11. Coach Artie. Coach Artie. Attempt, wala. Nakuha ni Alan. Tumeke. It's a traveling violation. Michael P. Sinundot sa likod. Nakuha ni Daryl. Daryl. Nasa kanya ulit. Daryl. To Rivera. Rivera. Intercepted by Michael P. Nagagawa. Nakuha ni Rivera pa rin. Rivera. Pass sa ilalim. Nawala. Kuha niya pa rin. Basket is down. Good. Basket is good. 10-4 in favor of Shell. To Edison. Edison. Inatake. Edison. For 2. Hardy. To Alan. Alan. Nasa ilalim. Alan. No good. Kuya Jerry. Pinasa kay Michael P. Michael P. To Edison. Edison. Dribbling the ball. Nag-aantay. Edison. Walang pinasaan si Edison. Nakuha niya Alan. Binigay kay Michael P. Michael P. Dribbling the ball. Michael P. To Alden. Alden nasa gitna. First jumper, no good. Basket is good. Second attempt. Coach Hardy. Daryl. Daryl. Binigay sa gitna. Kay Alan sa ilalim. Easy basket for Alan. 12-7 ang score. Edison, wala. Rebound ni Alden. Alden, wala. Nagagawa, nakuha ni. Nasa yun na ang beat. Hardy. Hardy, pinatawid to Alan. Alan umikot. Alan, nagtatrabaho sa ilalim. Pinasa kay Gary for 2. No good. Kuya Jerry to Michael P. Michael P. Umaatake Michael P. It's a foul. First, kita. Second throw, no good. Nakuha ni Alden. Pero, umit niya. Daryl, hindi na sa loob. Next. TNT ball. Ibo, bago sapatos. Ibo, tumira ng 3. Ibo, no good. Malamig pa ang shoes. RD, ba nag-uusap? Nagpaglano, RD. Pinasa kay Rivera. Crossword pass to Don J. Pinasa sa ilalim. Tulit turn around. 4-2. No good. Rebound by 1. Nakuha ulit. Nino. Ni Don J. Pumeke. Don J. To Rivera. 8 to shoot. Wala.
Nice shot.
Ibo.
Get ulit.
To Engineer. Pull up 2. No good. RD. To RD pa rin. RD. Pilinis. Basket is good. Ibo. To Michael T. Driving, Michael T. First basket, no good. No good pa rin nakuha ng TNT. Engineer, power move, wala. Rebound by Ruben, binigay kay Michael T, back to Ruben for 2, no good. To Ibo, siniset. Ibo to Michael T, back to Ibo for 2. Basket is good. Score 14-9. Still favor of Shell. RD. Naghahanap ng pabasa kay Lee. It's a trouble. Ruben. Tarike for 2. Minorque. Basket is good. Number 22. Marvin. To RD. Pinaharas ni Ibo. Nakuha ni Gasela. RD. To me. Basket is good by Tito James. 16-11. 2 minutes and 30 seconds. Time remaining. To Ibo. Pull up 2. Ibo. No good. Reality to Donjay. Tito Brandon bola. Tito Donjay. Pinasa sa ilalim. Audience. No good. Ruben. To Michael P. 2 versus 2. Michael T. Basket is good. 16-13. 2 minutes remaining for the first quarter. Rivera. Nahuli na tapik. Michael T. to Ibo. Easy basket. Rivera. 16-15. Isa na lang kalamangan. Nakuha ulit ni Engineer. Michael T. to Ibo. Ibo for 2. Oh, pinasa ay Ruben. Nakuha ni Donjay. Totito Lee. Basket, no good. Ivo. Crossover. Bumilit. Huli ni Tito. Tito, 2. Number 22. Rivera for 2. Basket is good. 18-15. 1 minute remaining for the first quarter. Michael P. to Ruben. Michael P. ulit. Michael P. Back to Ruben. Ruben for 2. 2 points. 30 seconds time remaining. 29 seconds time remaining. To James, to RD. No good. Nagagawan. Black ball. Michael T. To Ruben. Ruben to Meke. Ruben. Good for 2. 15 seconds. Don J. 10 seconds. Don J. Totito, no good. Kuha ulit ni Tito James, nabitawan. To Ivo. Ivo versus. Dari. To Rivera, pinasa sa gitna. Don J for 2, no good. Nakuha ni Darin. To Rivera. Binalik, intercepted by Lopez. Napunta sa kanya. No good. Rebound boy. Edison. It's a foul by 45. 27. 97. First team foul. Lopez. To Edison. Personal foul kay Coach Ardy. Basket is good. Second free throw. Jumpers ready. Edison, nagagawan. Nakuha ni Rivera, nagmamadali. Rivera to Darin. Easy two. Michael P. To Edison, umikot. Edison. It's a foul. 17 foul pala. 2 points. For Context. 22-20. Darin for 2. Basket is good. Lopez. To Michael P. To Kuya Jerry, intercepted by Alan. Nanguha ni RD. Rivera, to Crossover. Rivera, to Darin. No good. Rebound by Algen, to Lopez, to Michael P. To Meke. It's a Don J. Drop. Basket is good. Tito Don J. Lopez. Natapik na punta kay Michael Pass. Michael P. For 2. Basket is good. 24 lamang ang score. Rivera, naghahanap ng papasahan. To Coach Ardy for 3. Coach Ardy, no good. Muntik lang matawa. Lopez. Intercepted by Darin. Same ball. Lopez. Michael P. To Lopez for 3. Lopez, no good. Rebound by Algen. Algen, umangat. It's a foul.
Bola, bola. Depensa, depensa.
Ano, wala pa tayong third quarter. Second quarter pa. Pasarag pa rin. Michael P. 5 seconds to shoot. 2. Nagagawan. Nakuha ni Kuya Jerry. To Algen. Algen, no good. Nakuha ni Alan. Rivera. Rivera. Madines Rivera. Let's slow. Nakuha ng TNT. Lopez. Nakuha pa rin ni Rivera. Rivera. Umatake. Rivera. To Daryl. 9 to shoot. Daryl for 3. No good. Rebound by Alan. Alan. No good. Rebound by Edison. Edison. To Michael P. Michael P. Umatake. 8. Warning for penalty.
O, di ba?
Basket is good.
Tama po. O, di ba?
Second basket is good. 2 for 2 by Michael P. Dante. Pinasa sa ilalim. Intercepted. Nakuha ni Daryl. Daryl for 2. Basket is good. Sagutan lamang ang magkabilang team. 26. 26. Walang bumibitaw. Michael P. Tumira ng press. Michael P. Basket is short. Kuya Jerry. Pinasa kay Algen. Algen tinapik. Algen ulit. Nagagawan. Nakanino na ang beat. Edison. Edison. It's out of bounds. Donjay. Donjay. To Van. Van nasa gitna. Short. Out of bounds. Michael P. Michael P. Pumeke. Pinasa kay Ruben. Ruben. For 2. Ruben. Board member. Basket is good by Ruben. 28. 26. Rivera. Hilaras ni Ibo. Pati ni Michael P. Tuban. To James. James. Good for 2 by James. Ruben. Ruben. To Ibo. Ibo. Back to Ruben. Ruben. To Dennis. Dennis. Short. Rebound by Van. Van. To Rivera. Rivera. Tinatawid. To Donjay. Donjay for 2. No good. It's a foul. Kita ni Red.
Bola, bola,
By
bola.
number 18. Howell.
Inbound, inbound.
So Tito James. Tito James for 2. No good. Nakuha pa rin ni Donjay. Donjay. Nagtitimon. To Rivera. 4 to shoot. Rivera. Tito James. Shot clock violation. TNT ball. Ibo. Mabilis. Nagmamadali. Ibo. Tito Ruben. Ruben for 2. Basket is good. 30, 28. To Donjay. Donjay. To Norma. Donjay to Van. To Rivera. Back to Donjay. Donjay. No good. Rebound by Ruben. Ruben. Michael T. Michael T for 2. No good. Kuhan Ivo. Ivo. Naghanap ng pamasahan, Iwo, tumira. Basket is good. Feel na feel ang bagong sapatos by Ivo. Rivera, hinaharas ni Ivo. Rivera pa rin, hinaharas pa rin ni Ivo. Rivera penetrating, it's a foul. 28 in favor of Comente. 2 minutes and 34 seconds time remaining for the second quarter. Don J. Palmado lang, Don J. To Tito James for 2. No good. Rebound by Alan. Basket is good. Ivo. To Ruben. Ruben for 3. Short. No, basket. 32-30. 2 points lang ang lamang. Rivera for 3. No good. Hindi hinabol ni Tito Bonde. Walang gas ang set. Ivo. Ivo haras pa Rivera. Ivo. Hinaharas pa rin ni Rivera. Ivo, pinasa kay Michael T. Back to Ivo. Ivo, back to Michael T. for 3. No good. Nakuha pa rin ni Ivo. Ivo. Binigay ni Engineer. Nakuha ni Rivera. 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 Training ng Daligan. Wala. Nakuha ni Ivo. Ivo. Point 2. Bermuda si Rep. Time remaining. Again, nag-time out lang ho tayo. Good, kung may bagong dating, pwede. To Don J. Don J. Na traffic. It's a traveling violation. Inbound by Roberto Ivo. Ivo to Engineer. Nasa gitna si Engineer. Engineer. No good. By Alan. Rivera. Rivera. Pass to Tito. Tito James. Good for 2. 40 seconds time remaining. Ivo. Pull-up 2. Short. One, Michael T. Easy 2 for Michael T. Don J. Back to Tito James. Tito James for 2. Basket is good. Tito James. 15 seconds time remaining. Ruben. 10 seconds. 8 seconds. To Ivo. 4 seconds. Pass break to Coach Artie. Coach Artie. Rebound. No good. Michael P. To Michael P. Michael P. To Ruben. To Engineer. Engineer. Power move. Basket is good. Throw up by Engineer. Rivera 2. Back to Rivera. To Heidi. Heidi for 3. Basket is good. 3 points. Michael T for 3. Dinawi. Dinawi nga. 3 points. 39-47. Heidi. To James. No good. Rally Ruben. To Michael T. It's a traveling violation. Orpis lang, Orpis. Rivera. Rivera, nagtitimon. Rivera, penetrating. Rivera, no good. Nakuha ni Edison. Edison. To Michael P. Michael P. To Michael P. Michael P. Turn around. For 2. No good. Nakuha ni Michael P. Outside by Guigo. Heidi. To Daryl. Daryl. To James. James. No good. Rebound by Ruben. Ruben. Nagdoras over. Ruben. Umaatake. Pinasa kay Michael P. Michael P. Inagawa ni Daryl. To Engineer. Engineer. Umigot. Engineer. Basket is good. 41-37. Mahaba pa ang third quarter. 7 minutes and 55 seconds. To Tito James. Bumidiskarte Tito James. Tinapigan sa likod. Team foul. Inbound by Daryl for 3. Daryl. No good. Kuha ni Edison ng bola. Edison. Nag-dribble. Edison. To Engineer. Engineer. To Michael P. Michael P. to Meke. Michael P. No good. Nakuha ni Edison. Edison. 42. Dito. Edison. Pasa kay Daryl. Daryl. Dinala sa ibabaw. Muntik na. Kay Rivera. Pinasa sa ilalim. Michael P. Tumingin sa scoreboard. Michael P. Michael P. to Engineer. Engineer for 2. No good. Rebound by Alan. Intercepted by Michael P. For 3. No good. Kuha ni RD. RD. To Rivera. Rivera. Nagmamadali. Hinaharas ni Michael P. Rivera for 2. Basket is good. Michael P. To Michael P. Edison, nawala. Nakuha ni John J. Intercepted by Ruben. Ruben. Kalmado lang, nagtatawag. Ruben. Umatake Ruben. Boy, ang tama. Rivera. Rivera. To RD. RD, umigot. No good. To Edison. Michael P. Michael P. Dinato, no good. Rebound by Rivera. Rivera. Nagmamadali. Rivera for 2. Basket is good. 31-43. Ruben.
Natin!
Substitution.
Bola! Bigay!
Inbound by Tito Dante to Rivera. Dante to Coach Aldi. Inabot ni Ruben. Michael P. Napakabilis. Michael P. for 2. No basket. Lopez for 2. Basket is good. Rivera. Rivera. To Tito Dante. Tito Dante. Tito Dante. For 2. No good. Same ball. Natapik pero nakuha ni Alan. Alan. Bumidiskarte. Alan inatake. No good. Nakuha ni 45-41. Still in favor of Talk and Text. Tropang SBE. Ruben for 2. Ruben. It's a long 2. Paksayan eh. Rivera. Rivera. Tinatawid ang bola. Rivera. Bumidiskarte. Rivera nag-sidestep. Good for 2. Iber. Bilisan ang laban. Mabilis din itong kabila. Ruben for 3. Ruben. No good. Nakuha ni Tito Benjay. Tito Benjay. 2 versus 2. Tito Benjay. Nabitawan ng bola. Out 3. Michael P. No good. Kuha ni Alan. Alan to Rivera. Rivera. Rivera, no good. Rivera ulit. Basket is count. 47-45. 2 points lang ang Kalamangan. G. Ruben. Ibo. Ibo ang bilis. Pinasa din sa mabilis. Binalik sa mabilis. Ibo. Good for 2. 49-45. Labanan ng mabibilis. RD for 3. No good. 2 fouls to give for Shell. RD. Nasa ilalim. Libre-libre. Mabilis din yan si Coach RD pag sa tubig niya lang. Ruben. Ibo. Pinaharap si Darin. Darin. It's a foul. First team foul din. Kasi Tito Jerry. No good. Rebound by Alan. Alan. Nagmamadali. Alan. Alan. Lumakatake ng back. No good. Kuya Jerry. To Ruben. Ruben. Umigat Ruben. Wala ni Tito Donjay. Tito Donjay. Dumidiskarte. Sumbot. Fourth team foul. Warning pala. RD for 3. No good. Rebound by Alan. Alan. It's offensive foul by Alan. 2 minutes and 13 seconds time remaining. Ruben. To Michael T. Michael T for 2. No good. Rebound by Alan. Alan. Pinasa. Jerry out. Then in.
Tayo, what's up?
49-47, dalawa lang. Ibo to Dennis. Dennis to Meke. Dennis tinira. No good. It's a foul by number 11. Substitution.
Ito.
1 minute and 39 seconds. 49-47. Rivera umatake sa gitna. Floater. No good. Rebound by Alden. Dennis to Edison. Edison. Lefty. No good. Rebound by Nakuhani. Darin. Darin. Nagmamadali. Darin to Rivera. Rivera. No good. Rebound by Michael T. To Ibo. Ibo. Night away. Ibo. Back to Michael T. To Edison. Edison. It's a traveling violation. 47. Bonjay. Bonjay. Higit sa labas. Wala. Rebound by Michael T. Michael T. Pass break to Ibo. Ibo. No good. 44 seconds. Time remaining. 49-47. 3 points. 49-50. Isa lang ang Kalamangan. Michael T. To Edison. Edison to Ibo. Ibo. Back to Michael T. Michael T. Sumugod. No good. Nakuha ni Dennis. Rebound by Alden. Alden. No good. Rebound by Rivera. Rivera nagmamadali. 5 seconds. Rivera. Basket is good. 2 seconds. Arde. Potato Bonjay. Bonjay. To Arde. Arde for 2. Morgan basket is good. Lopez. Acela for 2. No good. Rebound by Tito. Rivera to Darin. Back to Rivera. Rivera for 2. Kumuha ng pa. First personal foul. First team foul. First basket is down. 2 for 2. Ruben to Lopez. Lopez to Michael P. Back to Ruben. Ruben, nagtatrabaho sa ilalim. Ruben, no good. Nakuha ni Engineer. It's a foul by number for graduation. First basket is good. Second basket, no good. Nakuha ni Donjay. To Rivera. To Donjay. To James for 2. No good. Kuha ni Ruben. Intercepted by Marvin. Rivera to Darin. Basket is full. 58-50. Walo po ang kalamangan ng Shell. Pass. No good. Nakuha ni Engineer. James. Rivera for 2. No good. Michael P. To Engineer. The lefty scored. 58-52. Huli po ni Lopez. Kuha ni RD. To James. Luis Discarte. Donjay. RD. Tabog laki. RD. No good. Nakuha ni Rivera. No good. Kuha ni Lopez sa mga bagay. RD. It's a foul. First basket is scored by James. Ryan Bench for continuous complaining from SVE. Second row, jumpers ready. Basket is scored. That's 2 for 2. 60-52. Walong puntos. Engineer. Nasa gitna. Engineer. Is it a basket? No good. Nakuha ni RD. To James. To Donjay. No good. Nakuha ni Michael P. To Ivo. Pinasa ay Ruben. It's offensive foul by Ruben.
Wag. Dito ba na?